Welcome student. Today I am going to explain chapter 2 antimatter around the sphere, part 11. Separation of a liquid from another liquid or a solid from another liquid, that is purification by crystallization. Purification by crystallization. First of all, we have to know crystallization. What is crystallization? The process of cooling a hot concentrated solution of a substance to obtain crystals is called crystallization. The process of crystallization is used for obtaining a pure solid substance from impure sample. This is done as follows. In the first step, the impure solid substance is dissolved in the minimum amount of water. The impure solid substance is dissolved in the minimum amount of water to form a solution that is concentrated. The solution is then filtered to remove the insoluble impurities. Then the solution is filtered to remove insoluble impurities. After that, the clear solution is heated gently, then we slowly on a water bath. What is a water bath? Water bath is an arrangement in which we first of all boil water in a beaker and then form a steam, and steams warm up the given impure solution. So this arrangement is known as water bath. Till a concentrated solution is obtained, and then stop heating, Allow the hot saturated solution to cool slowly. That means we give 3 to 4 hours to cool the solution. After that, after 5 to 6 hours, we see that crystals. That means solid geometrical particles of pure solid substance formed, and impurities remain dissolved. In the solution. After that, we separate the crystals of pure solid by filtration, and after filtration, the crystals are dried to present the observation. For example, separation of copper sulfate from impure sample of copper sulfate. In this experiment, we take copper sulfate in a china dish. This is a china dish in which we take copper sulfate solution. Copper sulfate is a blue colored salt, which solution is also blue in color. We arrange a water bath system in which we take a tripod stand, below which we put a Bunsen burner. On the tripod stand we put a wire gauge, that means a wire mesh, and above that we put a beaker in which we take water that are partially filled up. When we heat water put in the beaker, then water slowly heat up, and after some time it boils and forms vapors, and that vapor or steam rises up and warm the china dish, and the heat from the china dish given to the solution, and after some time the solution of impure copper sulfate is also vaporizing and steaming. After that, after some time, 1 to 2 hours, we see that the solution becomes very concentrated. After concentrating the solution, we first of all filter the first of all we leave the solution for 3 to 4 hours for cooling. After cooling, we see some crystals are settled down at the bottom and mixed with impurities in the form of liquid. We take this substance and filter it by the process of filtration, and crystals are obtained on filter paper. The obtained copper sulfate crystals are then dried and presented for the observation to the teacher, and this is the method of purification of impure copper sulfate by crystallization. Crystallization is a better process or better technique. Crystallization is a better technique than evaporation to dryness. Crystallization is a better technique than evaporation to dryness because of the following reasons. What are the reasons? There are 2 reasons. First one is some solids decompose on heating. Some solids decompose on heating to dryness during evaporation. There is no such problem in the crystallization. Second one, the soluble impurities do not get removed in the process of evaporation, but such impurities get removed in the process of crystallization. So crystallization is better process than the evaporation to dryness. So I have to give you some assignment or problems that are solved by you. First one is name and define. Name and define the process which can be used to purify an impure sample of copper sulfate. Second problem, which method is better for removing or recovering sugar from sugar solution, evaporation or crystallization, and give reason for your answer. Third one is, which technique is used in a washing machine to squeeze out water from wet clothes while drying? Define and explain the technique. And last one is, explain how impure copper sulfate can be purified by crystallization. So till then, goodbye.